Here we're on the swim platform of the Absolute 62 Fly. Of course, big spacious platform, lowers down electronically to make tender launch and retrieval extremely easy. Another thing that I like a lot that really comes in handy that many of the Absolutes that come to the United States do not have is this really nice, and just take a look here, Tim, that passerelle that you're walking on right now. That is an electrically extending passerelle that goes up, down, and is easily moved to accommodate access and entry from the stern of the boat to any height dock. Okay, here we are in the engine room, the immaculately clean and exceptionally well-maintained mechanical area of this 2020 62 Absolute Fly. So, every Absolute uses IPS Volvo pods. This boat uses the IPS 950 IPS pod system with joystick control, with that virtual anchor capability. And of course, our awesome captain has kept these absolutely dialed in perfectly, and they are at 400 hours. I'm on the Onan generator, which has about 350 hours, and you see how well laid out this engine room is. A nod to Absolute's dedication to owner serviceability. Everything in here is easily identifiable and easily accessed for maintenance and repairs.